So we're here doing our second North American convention in Murcia, Spain. We got the opportunity to bring our most important clients from North America. We got a very good group of 25 different distributors from many different sectors. They belong to the standby market, they belong to the oil and gas rental companies, Canadians. So we are introducing them what is Hipower from the inside, showing them all the factories and giving them all the presentations about Hipower and all the different products we are doing in North America today. Well, it is extremely important to bring our North American customers to the factory in Spain so they get to understand the culture and how we make the generators from the beginning. The feeling out of this is not only the fraternity or friendship that they can get after this, it's also they get to know the product and understand the product and how we make it and what they are selling. So after a meeting like this, they are so confident they go out to the market and they really can sell it.
I've visited many factories in my lifetime and I've gone to many different countries and I've seen many manufacturing facilities, and this is one of the nicer and better organized and cleaner factories that I have seen. They move an awful lot of material through that plant with not too many people. I've seen that the robotic end of the business is very impressive. And I think that they can, the quality control is probably higher than most other places that do a lot of handwork, manpower, because the machinery is programmed and is a lot more accurate in developing the product.
Well, this is kind of the thing that makes us unique. We have been very adventurous and we are selling generators. We have sold generators in Nepal or Papua New Guinea, Fiji, New Zealand, Australia, China, Mongolia. But we have also generators in the Antarctic, and we have generators in Brazil and Argentina. So it's a very dynamic, extremely dynamic company. We're just opening our factory in Brazil just now, and we have a branch in Germany, and we have a factory in France and Italy and Portugal, and we are in Mexico, Panama, US, Middle East, Singapore. It is extremely dynamic. We also have a joint venture in India, northern part of India, where we are manufacturing today about 10,000 generators. So it is difficult to find a company like this. It's extremely a real global company, present in more than 100 countries.
The fourth largest generator manufacturer in the world, and we're one of the largest global companies that is not a public corporation. That gives us a huge advantage as well in the global marketplace. So we are truly a global manufacturer, an international manufacturer.
The main market today for Hipower in North America has been the construction side, the rental portable products. But we are also targeting very strongly the emergency standby power generation. And that is a very broad list of applications. So it can go into government, can go into hospitals, can go into the commerce industry, all sort of products. We are targeting a lot the oil and gas industry because of all the fields for natural gas that have been discovered in North America, US and Canada, but we are also complementing that with other applications.
Hipower has, as I said, a very good reputation on the market, and the fact that now they will be in the position to have engines compliant to the new emission rules with a very good layouts, with the advantages to have very small and compact dimensions and even less fuel consumption if compared with our competitors. It will make and it will put Hipower in a very good position on the market.
In North America, the ability to have flexibility to provide a specific product to the rental industry that is suited to the particular customer is a huge advantage that we have over our competitors. In other words, we're very flexible as a manufacturer. We can supply options to our customer in the rental industry that our competitors cannot.
Hipower has a very solid background in the power generation industry that has been developed over years, and so we've got a very good grasp of what it takes to be successful in the marketplace, and we pride ourselves in delivering a product to the customers that they can be very proud of, that they can take to the market and put in front of their customers. And as we all know, customer satisfaction drives any business, and customer satisfaction is priority one at Hipower.
This is our NEF 45 Tier 4 interim compliance. It's a new engine. We are closing now the development phase, and the engine will be ready for the market just after August. Probably will be the first week of September. So this is one of the engine of the Pulsar family. Is a 9-liter engine, and is currently under development in order to be able to reach the Tier 4 final legislation rules by the end of this year.
Yeah, well, I think the impression from the distributors has been huge for two things. The first day we didn't show them manufacturing, we did show them all this presentation, and I think they were impressed with the huge amount of innovation and new products and etc. that we showed to them. But they've been extremely impressed with the Hipower facility.
Hipower has, as I said, a very good reputation on the market, and
I think it's very good, and I think that it's something that we're going to continue to do in the future.
Yes, there's the reason why we are still with them today.